One simple trick with a small glass, and your home will stay peaceful for a long time. First, prepare a small glass. Add 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. This is the most important layer. It has a strong, spicy scent, works refreshingly, and has antibacterial properties. Now add 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. Salt absorbs moisture from the air, which helps prevent mold and mildew. It also enhances the aroma, allowing the cinnamon to release its fragrance more intensely and for a longer time. Pour in some fabric softener. Choose your favorite scent. Thanks to this, the mixture will smell fresh and pleasant. Next, fill up the glass with oil. This ensures that the whole mixture burns evenly and slowly, releasing the aromas over a long period. Place a cotton swab in the center and light it. Let it smolder slowly. The smoke and fragrance create an invisible barrier that protects you from insects. From now on, mosquitoes, flies, and moths will stay away. Just place it on the windowsill and enjoy the calm. Even with the window open, insects will avoid your home.